Now fix my short ear. See, and then comb just. So this is how I do the short ear, and then we make the curly, right? So I get a clear, so you gel it down. So once you gel it down like this, to the style, if you want it center. Mommy, have tail end comb? Eh? Yeah, me send some, but if you can't find, you're fine. Who's on my life? So once you gel it down, then you comb it like this. And then you start doing your finger wave. So I'm just showing you guys how I do my finger wave. Relax yourself, relax yourself. And then I'm gonna start making the wave then. Yeah, up. Careful. That finger? Huh? No, nobody. The white are coming out? No. It's not dry. Only dry that on the white. Yeah, show them how to do it. You see that? You see how me do it, mommy? Oh, God. Yeah, we turn around. Then the minutes are coming out. You like it? Yeah, we're stopping. And people got here, there's another thing. Yeah. This is how I get the wave, and then when it dry now, it look beautiful. Girl. Like that. Now get the finger wave in. Not really finger wave, comb wave. So that's how I get the wave, and then when it dry now, it look nice. Simple as that. Simple, simple, simple. You see? And then we go clean it up. So if it dry now. So now I wash my hands, come back. never fail me. Never fail me yet. The Carmichael never fail me yet. More water to wash me on. People, we live at St. Thomas and we have river, and every minute the water gone, and people where they are town have water. Make that make sense. And them not have river, but them have water. You see, I'm not going to St. Thomas figure and better, man. We have river and we don't have water. Kingston have water. Till them all, them pipe just around so. And then I have river, but they have water. I know it's crazy. Yes, Diane Miller. Diane the pan 11. Yeah, Diane Miller. No, yeah, Marsha Miller. Oh, yeah, man, yeah. Diane, we have river and we not have water. Make that make sense. You need to dry now. Yeah, cook stew peas, mommy. Somebody want to serve that? Can't sell no coming and no price for the something. Yeah. We have river, but we don't have water. So me I'll clean up the edge now. Like this. And then later when you check it here. Later when you check it here, it's good to go. And when you check it out, Lord, no one no better than you. Oh, me Jimmy now. It's an easy hairstyle for the sunshine. Gel that shine like that. Sit down on the veranda. May I drink dark blood and Cersei. Yeah, for the belly. Dark blood and Cersei for the belly. I'm a plug up. May I eat their fruits. Yeah, my plug up. Dark blood and Cersei. And then Diane, me I drink up the tea them, you know. Dark blood and Cersei. Right there so. You think I joke? Antoinette Williams. My hat. Sit down here, Lisa, and drink your Cersei tea. Yeah. Dark blood and Cersei. Yeah. Dark blood and Cersei. Dark blood and Cersei. I might look a spot this in a yard.